Today we got a oven door that has a stain in between the panels. It's pretty easy to get to. I'm gonna show you how to clean the glass in between an oven door. All right, first step is we've got two Phillips head PH2 screws that we need to undo. You want to hold this from the bottom when taking out the second screw. Put your hand here, and then the handle's kind of going to drop, so you can just remove that, and then it just opens up. It's nice to have something to set the glass on. You want to make sure that these side panels don't fall off. They hook in at the bottom. They look good, but from here we can just clean the oven with some glass cleaner. Now that we got it clean, we wanna put this back. This is easier done with two people. Here's your handle. This piece right here slides over the glass. Reinsert your screws. Got one side in. Now this side piece is gonna wanna come out, but you gotta put this over the inside of the handle lip and then just screw it down. That's all it is two screws. That's how you clean the glass between the oven door. This model is a Whirlpool electric range. Most of the ranges will allow you to do this though. This works on many other different types of ranges. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions. Until the next fix, I'm Dave Spates. See you in the next one.